Welcome to today's video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how you can earn potentially $7 per file that you upload. Then I'll also share with you the benefits of this method. I'll share with you the drawbacks because not many people like to talk about those, and then I'll share with you exactly what I would do if I was going to, try this method for making money online myself. And look, if you want some more resources, free resources for earning online, you can go over to my website. It's called Not Taught at School. We've got a members area over here with lots of stuff in here, and we've also got free courses on here. Whether you're interested in making money with affiliate marketing, whether it's YouTube, and many more things. We've also got things, as you can see here, proofreading courses, how to flip products on here. We've got rental passive income, and many more. Because there's so many ways you can earn online. It just takes some time, effort, and consistency. Okay, so let's jump into this video today. So the website we are looking at today is this one here, and it's called file-upload.com. Free cloud storage for your data. Now let's get into potentially the good stuff. Okay, so this website over here, it's currently got, you can see on here, it's got a lot of members, and you can see exactly how much they've paid out. And you can also go ahead, click on proof payments. We can also see that they are indeed paying out, and you can reach out to them on all of these different social media platforms as well. And you can go ahead and see, look, so this is, what is today's date? The 5th of April, and you can see here we've got lots of payments coming out down here, and you can see exactly how much it was, the method of payment, and many more. Okay, so let's just go back to the home page really quick. So we'll come over here. So how does it work? How can you make money by uploading files? So if I scroll down here, look, free file hosting, forget all of this here, just scroll past this. Make an account, upload a file online and share with your friends, and basically this is where you can start earning money. So you can see here it's a pay-per-download program, PDP for short. So basically every time you upload, you can see on here, every time your files are downloaded on this website, you can earn money. So if somebody from Group A downloads those files, you can potentially earn $7. And Group A is the United States of America, United Kingdom, and Canada. Then we've got Group B, and it's literally a heck of a drop, isn't it? We've got Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and the United Emirates is $3, and then we've got Group C, all other countries, which again, it pays you $3. So it's free to get started with, so you can go ahead and click on here. So let's just click on I want to know more and see what this is all about, how you earn money from doing this. So come down here, look, what do we offer? So uploading service, and you can read all of this here, look, but this is it, file upload rewards program. So you can earn money with our free file service by basically uploading these files. And if you scroll down here, you can see we have got free accounts on here, and we've got Group A, Group B, and Group C. And then we've also got premium accounts, so basically that you can upgrade to a paid account and you can actually earn a little bit more. So in this example, you can earn $1 more, $1 basically. Come down here, rewards, and sell your files. And then we've got other things down here. So pay per download, plan A, you earn 100% of those downloads. We've also got pay for a referral, whereby you can earn 20% of money earned from people you refer to this platform. Don't worry, I'm not referring you to this, I'm just sharing this as an option for you. Then we've also got pay per sale. So there's a couple of ways you can actually earn over on this platform, but essentially you can earn money from uploading files. Now that brings us to the question, doesn't it? What files would you upload on here which people are going to be interested in downloading? Well, it's the usual, isn't it? Health and fitness, weight loss, making money online. So you would need a file of some sort to upload onto the platform. Now you can do this in a number of ways. You can create your own files or PDFs and content and upload them onto here. You could also go down the route of PLR products, which stands for private label rights, which basically means you can get a product, you can get them for free, or you can pay some money, and then basically you can do whatever you want with that product. You can insert affiliate links, you can change bits, you can even put your own name on this. So I'll share, and again you can just do this really simply. Go on Google and type in PLR websites, because there's hundreds of these. And then we're going to come back to the drawback of this method in a second. So we can see on here, look, eight best PLR websites of 2022. We can go into any of these. They're all the same. They all work in the same way. So we'll look at this one here. PLR products. We'll go to idplr.com. So let's go on over to this website here, and I'll show you how you can grab these files and upload them very quickly. So look at this on here, look. 12,590 PLR products. You can resell them and keep 100% of the profits. So let's just click on, look, free products. We've got ebooks, software, videos, all of this. Let's just go to ebooks, because that is a file, isn't it? You get an ebook download and then you can upload that file over onto this website here. So if we come back over here, let's scroll down. So look at all of these here. These are all free. We can get these now, today. You can see what the product is, tells you a bit of blurb about it, when it was released, and you can see here, look, license, master resell rights. So it's a master resell rights, so you can actually resell the rights to this book and earn money. And this is just a few examples on here, and there's lots more on here. You can go through and have a look at any of these, okay? So let's say, what's this? Let's just find one. Let's go to 30 days to build a bigger email list, attraction map. Let's just go with this one here as an example, okay? So we could go ahead, get this completely for free. We could download this file here, and it tells you about this. So you can see you can use this image over here. We've got all the information about the product here, when it was released, and the other bits. Now, it tells you more information about this. So look, this product here can be used for personal use. You can't sell it. Well, you're not going to sell it. You can package it with other products, and you can go through and have a read about it, about the the products. And you make sure whenever you're going into any of these PLR products here, you're always double checking the license which comes with this. So let's just do another one. So let's just type in weight loss. Let's just go with this one, because this, in fact, let's go with keto, because that's very popular. So we'll go with keto, like so. Oh, sorry, I didn't hit on enter. So we'll hit on enter, and we're going to have a look at keto. Look at this one here, easy keto. When was it released? More about it. Video upgrade. We've got this one. Lots of these. Let's just, again, we'll just click on the first one to make this video as simple to follow along with as possible. So easy keto, download, preview. What is this product? Scroll down here. Come down here. Look, this product here. Yes, you can sell it. Yes, it can be used for personal use. Yes, you can pack it. Basically, you can do what you want with it. What can you not do? Come down here. Can be added to a free membership website. Can convert and sell private label rights. So always just double check this down here, okay? So we can see it can be sold for personal use, packaged with other products. You can change the sales letter, add it to membership sites. You can even put your name on this and other bits. So you can go ahead and download something like this, and you can take those files and you can upload them onto a site like this, whereby you're potentially paid $7. Now, the thing to know about this method here, why I wouldn't recommend it in any way, shape or form really, is because of this. So when you start looking into this, come down here, look, file upload rewards program, go here, file upload pays $7 per 1,000 downloads dependent on download location. So whilst you can earn $7 for uploading a file, you're going to need 1,000 people to download that file. Now, would that happen organically? Probably not. So what would you have to do? You'd have to start driving traffic to this website to download your file. And, essentially it would be quite a bit of work for $7 to get 1,000 people doing this. And I'm sure people would say, go on Facebook and spam groups and other things, but is that going to be worth your time for $7? Probably. Well, it's not, is it? So you can still take this method here, whereby you're uploading files, and you can still use PLR websites like this, but then instead of coming over to websites like this, what I'd recommend is use websites like with Gumroad as an example. Now over on platforms like Gumroad, sell what you know and see what sticks. There's a number of these websites whereby you can literally take files and start selling them over on here. The great thing about platforms like Gumroad is they already have a lot of traffic on these websites, okay? So if I come over here, let's go to Discover, and we'll see if anyone's selling keto products, because I know there will be. 100% there'll be somebody on here selling products related to keto. Now over on Gumroad, you can find lots of different things on here, whether it's ebooks, PDFs, courses, and many more. But let's just go to the search bar and type in keto, and let's just see what comes up. Something went wrong. What went wrong? Keto diet, 13 products. So let's scroll down. So we've got all of these guys here who are shredded. Come down here, keto recipes, low carb, Halo, and then we can see on here, look, PDF, zip files, MP4, RAR files, JPEG images. So let's just scroll down. So look at this one here, look. It's currently had 30 sales. They're selling it for $30 and it's got a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. Scroll further down the page here, look. Low Carb Keto Cookbook, 325 sales at $15. Let's come down here, we've got this one. And you know, I bet some of these products on here, without a doubt, will be to do with PLR. So let's just come down here, what's this? Diet Keto, let's have a look at this. Low Carb Keto Cookbook, this one as well. They're definitely, let's go back over here, look. Easy Keto. Come down here. And they're all the same, basically, in terms of these products here. Whether you're looking at this one or any of the other ones, they'll all be. So let me go into this one up here for you. Let's just go into this one here, Low Carb Keto Cookbook, and we'll have a look at this. So what is this? Come down here, Sweet Edition. Come further on the page. 145 recipes. Basically, it's going to be, look, this is a digital cookbook, an ebook that's a collection of 60 diet chef recipes and 60 brand new ones, and takes minutes. So basically, people are selling products like this over on this website here. Straightforward, simple, and it's not difficult. So, you know, you could go over to a website and get a product like this one, and, you know, if you wanted to, you know, you could just upload it directly, but, you know, I would change it around a little bit. I would, at the very least, you know, go ahead and create a new image for this over on like a website like canva.com, which again is absolutely free. And yeah, I just, you know, start having a look. But as you can see here, the potential to start making money online using free tools and resources, it isn't that hard or difficult in any way, shape or form. So look, that's today's video. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.